नमस्कारम। आइए हमारे छोटे से घर में स्थापित बड़ा सा मंदिर। ये हमारा डे टू डे एक्टिविटी है देवी को लेकर के कि ये हमेशा सुंदर और भव्य दिखती रहें। क्योंकि इंस्ट्रक्शन है सदगुरु की तरफ से कि भाई व्हेन यू हैव अ फीमेल इन द हाउस शी ऑलवेज नीड्स टू लुक गुड एंड डेकोरेटेड। सो ये रोज़ का ही हमारा एक रिचुअल है। हम लोगों ने बहुत एक और चीज़ बड़ी अच्छी डिस्कवर की थी एक समय पे कि जब हम लोग ऐसे डिज़ाइन क्रिएट करते हैं ना यहाँ पे, so not many of the designs get repeated.
Yeah.
So इतना सिंपल है, ज़्यादा लॉजिक लगाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है। और कई बार हमारे भी पति पत्नी के बीच में भी अगर झगड़ा होता है तो आवाज़ ऊंची नहीं होती है हमारी, क्योंकि हमें लगता है कि कोई हमें देख रहा है। तो ये है ये स्पेस। एंड द बेस्ट पार्ट इज़ कि ये लिविंग रियलिटी है हमारी लाइफ की, और इसका सिर्फ अनुभव किया जा सकता है, इसके बारे में विश्लेषण नहीं किया जा सकता, इसके बारे में डिस्क्रिप्शन नहीं दिया जा सकता। बट एनीवन हु हैज़ देयर यू नो, बहुत लोगों के पास आज यंत्र है, दे ऑल्सो हैव देयर ओन एक्सपीरियंसेस टू शेयर। बट फिलहाल हमारे लिए तो ये है कि बस एक ऐसा कॉर्नर है घर का कि बाकी घर कॉर्नर लगता है और यही मेन स्पेस लगता है। सो आई वॉज एट शूट, और वो शूटिंग कुछ it went on for a good 1.5 years. So I had to be there every day, 30 days in a month. So I created my own space where when I had been to the ashram, I bought yellow color का जो photo देवी का एक बड़ा सा था, which I got it for my makeup room. And then suddenly when the day I actually, you know, मैंने उसको जब लगाया, then suddenly the whole space for me changed. Then every day there was some addition which was, you know, I was doing it with that particular space. कि वहाँ पे सर पहले मैंने सिर्फ मोमबत्ती जलाई, फिर एक टाइम आया where I just went into दिया, फिर घी का दिया, you know. And then every day it used to be a practice that till the time I'm there on the shoot for 12 hours, 13 hours. So the first thing in the morning, I go there, I light a diya, then रास्ते में I buy flowers and all, decorate, and then I sit in my own space. So that place during the shooting only, that whole room became a meditation room for everyone. That was the time when I literally thought that if the photograph can work so much, the yantra will change me forever, you know. The first thing, and you know, so we decided the earliest whenever that yantra ceremony is happening. So I immediately booked my slot and everything, and we both went there. And the whole experience of yantra ka सारा process होने के बाद, especially those moments when Sadhguru walks and comes and blesses you personally.
We are going to get the yantra out. What is this yantra? You know, oh my God, we will have to change our entire lifestyle. We have to leave non-veg. We have to do this. We have to do puja so many times a day. We have to create this entire space. We can't sleep over here. We can't eat over here. So I had all these things running in my mind. Okay. And then I sat and for the yantra ceremony, I remember, and yeah, Sadhguru walked by. And
I could.
And he touched my hair. Okay, it's done. Whatever you say, I'm for it.
So I think we can say that you can get transformed if you have a Devi in a form of a transformer.
Yeah, transformer.
So yantra is the transformer you
Available
have,
transformer.
and we are just tube lights and bulbs and fans working on a big 440 volt. So that's how the whole, the thought of having Devi at place and then Devi finally coming. Experience-wise, a person can can slip into depression, can slip into clinical depression or anxiety or anything. But I think this space keeps you so much, on toes that you do not have time to think about anything which is going to hamper you negatively. So you are always, there is a problem, there is a solution, and you're working for the solution. And it hits you at the right spot if you have to be sensitive enough to receive her grace. And once the grace starts working, I mean, there is overflow of emotion to that extent that, you are always in a very content and a happy space. You do not
the
want.
amount of cleansing that happens. Yes. It's like somebody is taking you to the Dhobi Talab. Okay, now you're clean. No? And then the sense of peace and satisfaction with anything that's going on in life.
Yeah, at least you know you have someone to fall back on. It's more like a shoulder. कि कुछ हो रहा है तो
हो जाएगा ये भी कट जाएगा देख लेंगे.
Yantra has taught me that you should not have baggage, you should always travel with luggage. एक बहुत अच्छी बात कैलाश मानसरोवर की यात्रा जब 2014 when I went to Kailash Mansarovar, I remember Sadhguru had said that place your heart in Kailash and your body will follow, right? So I think that goes for Devi
Place your
also.
heart in the yatra
And Devi will come to you.
you.